Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. We actually have 3 boosters stacking in this video, which is crazy. This is the best curbside deals for the week of the 25th to the 31st of January. What a curbside deal is, you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, paying for it, driving to the store, and that is known as a curbside pickup. You can use little discount codes with, and a lot of people just prefer to shop this way, especially with the really bad weather. I know a lot of you didn't go out shopping, but if you're staying home to be safe, I think that's super smart. Deals always come back, and curbside deals you have up to 3 days to pick up. So give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up for being smart on the road. And in case you want to see what I was doing in store, I will link yesterday's video at the very end. We have very cheap Tide and Persil and just a lot of cheapness and goodness. So you might want to check out that video. There's a lot going on there, and I'll link it at the end. Okay, so deal number 1, you're going to need the following boosters loaded. The first one is a 10 back when you spend 45. And I think the majority of you got this one. It's an only for you, but I think a lot of you got it. We're also going to need the 5 back when you buy 3 P&G Dental Care, and the 15 back when you buy 45 in the P&G Dental Care as well. So for this first basket, we're going to be grabbing this friend for $59.99. We have a $10 digital coupon, and this is on another promotion as well of spend 50 to earn back 15. So we are going to achieve that with this video. And then we're also going to throw in 3 toothpaste or these toothbrushes. You pick which one you want. We have a 5 off of 3. You're going to load that, and the promotion for this is you're going to get back $5 of Walgreens cash when you buy 3 with that booster that I showed you. Now, just to show you, using the code JAN20, you're saving $10. And then we have the 5 off 3 coming off for the Crest, Oral-B or Crest. And then we also have the $10 for the Oral-B IO toothbrush. Another $10 melting off. So this basket is a little bit intimidating because it's quite a bit, but it's completely free. So it's $70.49. Subtracting that 10 with the promotion code, it's still $60.49. So for all of the different promotions, you're still at that $50 threshold. Free curbside pickup, tax, $15 in digitals melting off. You're going to have to pay $49.12 with your debit card, and then you're getting back $45.70. Not factoring in the tax, it's basically the 3 toothbrushes and then that Oral-B IO completely for free. It is a lot out of pocket, but if you want to do this deal, it's a really nice toothbrush. The second deal that we're looking at, this one is one we were talking about yesterday, so you can do this one either in store or online. It's to grab this $9.99 Venus razor. We have a $3 digital as well, so make sure you have that loaded. The promotion online is that when you buy 2, you get $6 back in Walgreens cash. This is the men's $9.99 razor. It is the Skin Guard one, and we also have a $3 digital coupon attaching for this friend. So if your register rewards never print, you can do this deal very easily as a curbside. And then as you see, buy 2, get $6 back in Walgreens cash on the P&G Grooming, which are these razors. So there it is, pretty easy. Now, just to let you guys know, I tried to use a couple different promotion codes and they would not attach. Maybe you'll have better luck than I, like a WAG10 or something like that. I think it's because these are sales priced items. But we have $6 in digitals melting off right here. We have $19.98, a little bit of tax, and $6 melting off, $15.18. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it, and you're getting back 6. It makes this a really solid deal. Because the word buy is in there, you can use Walgreens cash, spend it to earn it. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is deal number 3. For this one, we are going to be grabbing one of these Olay Regenerist for $29.99. Original price $42. We have a $10 digital coupon that showed up yesterday, so that's going to drop this friend down to like $20, which we'd love to see. To get the basket to fill out, we're also going to throw in this little 4-counter of the toilet paper for $1.99. Then just to show you guys that $10 Olay coupon melting off, and then using WAG10 an additional $2.20. It basically pays for the toilet paper. The overall total for this is $31.98, subtracting $2.20 with WAG 10, $10 manufacturer, so the total is $21.57. If you want to use $20 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.57, I think this is a super smart deal for a fancier skin cream and a 4-pack of toilet paper. Another skincare deal is deal number 4, and for this one you need your friend loaded, which is the 10 back when you spend 45. Specific lotion is the L'Oreal Paris Bright Reveal. It's a vitamin C glowing lotion. We have a 12 off of 2 and an 8 off of 1. So 3 of them is $62.47, which is quite a bit out of pocket. You can use the code SAVE20 for an additional $8.50 off. So it's so much better to do this deal curbside to get that extra savings. The overall total is $62.47. $8.50 melting off, $20 in manufacturers also melting off. So you'll pay $37.21 with your debit card and get back $10. So it basically makes each about $8, which is a really great price point. And don't forget to use your debit card. Do not use any Walgreens cash so you can get your booster back. So not a bad little deal. The final deal that I have prepared for you, the Super Bowl will be, I think, the first or second week of February. They're trying to boost up a lot of deals for chips and pop. So this one, we're going to throw in 3 of these Pepsis for $13.99. Plus, we have $1 off a 3 digital coupon. Load that. Now, if you live in a state with a really big bottle deposit like Michigan, it's going to be a lot more. But if you don't, you probably won't. Your math will be a little less than mine. And then I also threw in 2 bags of the Doritos chips for $6. So they're $3 a pop, which is not bad for Doritos. So I just threw in 2 Cool Ranch chips. They have a whole bunch of different flavors as well, depending what you like. And then just to show you guys that dollar digital is melting off along with using the code WAG10 for an additional 60 cents off. The overall total here is $23.59, 60 cents coming off with WAG 10 with an additional dollar digital. No tax on this because this is considered food in Michigan. So the total is $21.99. You can use up to $20 in Walgreens cash, pay the $1.99. I have a very hefty bottle deposit, which I will get back when I return the cans. So depending where you're living, the math might be a little different than what I'm showing you. But definitely load up on those snacks if you celebrate Super Bowl and you're going to have a bunch of people over. Why not? That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. And yesterday's video is linked right here.